What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about how you can make or receive phone call just by using your Apple Watch. So right here, as you guys can see, we're having call, but it is not popping up to the screen of your Apple Watch just because I'm not really wearing it on my wrist. So right here I'm going to go ahead and tap on this digital crown button, and as soon as you touch it, you'll be able to see this call is coming up. So right now, if you just want to pick the call, you simply can just tap on the green button. Well, let's say if you're busy or if you're just if you're unable to receive the call, you can also make the text just by tapping on the three dots, and here you will be able to explain your reason why you are not being able to pick the call. However, you can also, if you just tap it on that answer on iPhone, then you'll be able to see that the phone is being held, or just phone is being just holded by your iPhone. Now, if you just go ahead and tap exit, your phone will be picked up. So right here, as you guys have seen, that we actually used that Apple Watch in order to do the work. Well, even there are a bunch of things you guys can do if you just want to. Right here you guys can see these options, which is the mute button. You can just tap it on. It's very tiny. I'm not sure whether you guys can see it or not, but you can just actually unmute it, and you can turn on the volume after receiving that call. Now I'm just going to go ahead and just tap the green option in order to answer the call, and here now I'm just talking. Now my word actually is going through this microphone, which is built-in microphone on this Apple Watch. So right here, now if I just go ahead and tap on the threes option, which will give you that's the dial pad. Now if you want to just type anything and in terms of, well, right now if you have any important number to just to pick up, you simply can use this dial pad in order to pick up this number. However, there are certain things that you can do. You can tap on that microphone button in order to mute yourself, and if you just go ahead and just tap it on, and your Apple Watch will be unmuted. Well, now let's go ahead and talk a little about how you can make call just by using your Apple Watch. So right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and open up this contact list or contact apps from here, obviously, and here I'll be just calling the recent number that I got here. I'm just gonna go ahead and tap on this number. Now this call is going through. So here, now what will happen if you see that call is picking up, and then as you guys can see, I'm talking and it is just going through. I'm currently using this Apple Watch, as you guys can see it right here. So I'm not really using iPhone whatsoever because I left it over there. So here, if I talk, okay, I'm sorry for the echo by the way. Alright guys, this is how you actually make that phone call or send or receive phone call just by using your Apple Watch. Hope this video educational. If so, you can just let me know in the comment box. And alright guys, we will see you in the next video.